In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in PowerPoint. Whether you're organizing facts, structuring a presentation, or just trying to keep ideas orderly, lists are a fundamental feature that enhances clarity and aids in communication. Let's walk through this straightforward process together. To get started, you'll need to open your Microsoft PowerPoint file. Once you have your presentation loaded, navigate to the slide where you want to add your list. If you're crafting a new slide, take advantage of the preset text boxes or placeholders that PowerPoint offers, making it convenient to get started right away. When you've identified the text box or placeholder you'd like to use, click inside it to begin typing. This is where the magic happens. Go ahead and type your first item, and as soon as you finish, press the Enter key. This simple action will move you down to the next line, ready for you to type in your next item. Repeat this process for each subsequent item you want in your list, pressing Enter after each one to keep the flow going smoothly. After you've added all your items, it's time to make those words pop. To do that, you'll want to select all the lines of text you've just typed. An easy way to do this is to click and drag your cursor over the text, but you can also use the Shift key combined with the arrow keys for more precision if you prefer. Now comes the fun part, transforming that plain text into an organized list. With your text selected, navigate over to the ribbon at the top of your PowerPoint interface and locate the Home tab. You'll find various options here, but for lists, direct your attention to the paragraph group. This is where you'll see two small but powerful icons, one for bulleted lists and the other for numbered lists. Each serves a different purpose and can change the tone and structure of your presentation. If you opt for the bulleted list icon, your items will be marked with symbols such as dots or squares, adding visual interest and hierarchy without imposing a specific order. On the other hand, if you choose the numbered list icon, each item in your list will take on a number, creating a sense of sequence or priority. This is especially useful when the order of your points matters. Once you've made your selection, PowerPoint will automatically format your text into the list style you chose. It's as simple as that. Your items should now be neatly organized, making it easier for you and your audience to digest the information. And there you have it, a clean and professional list in your PowerPoint presentation. With lists, your slides can communicate more effectively, helping your audience follow along with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you find these tips helpful in your next presentation project.